Good evening, dear friends, dear parents, and honorable group members. I'm so happy and super excited to talk to you all through this platform. I've been using this platform to always share my views, express my thoughts, and put up my questions in front of you. And you all have been a great support and acknowledged my thoughts and always replied to them. Thank you so much for that. Today is my first video where I'm directly talking to you all. It is very, very exciting. I've always posted write-ups from one of my favorite collections, and my favorite topic always has been kids and parenting. Before I start my today's topic, I would like to introduce myself and my friend who's with me today this evening to have a word with you all.
Hello Harsha, hello friends. I do work as a teacher in Amar Jyoti Saraswati School, and daily we are having kids with us. We have fun and we love kids so much, so we always plan together to do something for children, for their betterment and for their future. Back to Harsha.
Thank you, Pooja. Myself, Harsha. I run a playhouse called Small Wonders in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. I have a passion towards reading and writing, and through this platform I've always been sharing. Today, to start with, I would like to share something which is on my wallpaper also, the parenting tip of the week, which says, give them true love. Here, them means children. People misunderstand that loving their children is to give them whatever they ask for. If you give them everything they ask for, children will become more and more stubborn. And Pooja, I think today's generation has really become very, very stubborn.
Yes, I agree with that, because today's generation, basically from kids talking to the teenagers, they are losing their patience. They don't have that stability. They get very impatient. They get angry. And the words which parents always use, that by saying no, by not making them comfortable, they are going into depression. These are the words we hear from parents, but I really don't agree with them. In today's generation, we need to train children. We need to bring that patience back. We need to train them that way, that they are used to listen to the no. Least they should be acquainted with the present circumstances or the present atmosphere they're having in the house. For example, if I say that a girl attended a birthday party where there were the dishes there, but she was not accepted to eat that, and the mother immediately announced that there will be something else cooked for that was not the way I think to be treated. I think the mother should have said that she used to learn what is made for her, and that only she should eat what is prepared in the house, rather than getting something else prepared for her.
Exactly, Pooja. Sorry to interrupt you, but very true. Today's parents really they think कि हमारा एक ही बच्चा है, हमने जो कमाया है सब उसके लिए है, तो उसको क्यों ना बोले। ना बोलने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो आपके प्यार को क्वेश्चन करता है। कभी कभी सही चीज़ों के लिए भी मना करना पड़ता है। सही चीज़ें मतलब उनके नज़रिए से नहीं, हमारे नज़रिए से। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वुड जस्ट गिव एन एग्जाम्पल, पूजा. Earlier, when we were small, at birthday parties or at home, we used to play a game called Passing the Parcel, where the parcel used to get passed, and if you stuck with the parcel, then you are out, and you were given a punishment. Now, today, when we make the children play the game, what parents come and tell us is, मैम वो आउट हो जाएगा ना तो डिप्रेशन में चला जाएगा, मैम उसको आउट मत करो। ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते आप मैम कि जो बच्चा आउट होता है वो आउटवर्ड आप निकाल दो, आप उसको एक गिफ्ट दे दो। I mean, if you don't teach the children to accept failure, what kind of a generation are we making?
Exactly, I agree with that, because the parents would complain like मेरा बच्चा यहाँ सेट नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा बच्चा वहाँ सेट नहीं हो रहा है. I think the children are ready to set, but the parents' mindset is not set.
Exactly, very true. Actually, it is the parents who really need to know that at times they have to say a firm no if the things are not proper or they are not working as desired. बच्चों को हर चीज़ में हाँ बोलना are making, I mean, the time when I started the playhouse, I think 10-12 years ago, the generation that and the generation which I'm facing today, there is a lot of difference in that generation. Earlier जो बच्चे आते थे, जो पेरेंट्स आते थे, अब जो बच्चे आते हैं, जो पेरेंट्स आते हैं, और अब तो जो भी बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं, पेरेंट्स यही बोलते हैं, मैम ज़रा ध्यान रखना, बहुत मस्तीखोर है, बहुत स्टबर्न है, कुछ सुनता ही नहीं है. Why this kind of a generation?
Because they have made them like that.
Exactly.
They have made them like that.
Exactly. So not taking much of your time, we'll get back next week again with a new tip. Thank you parents for listening to us. Thank
Thank you so much.